Good morning, everyone. As you know, I'm Diego. I'm from Guatemala, and today Guatemala Service Project is delivering some stores, and this is one of the families that they will get one today. So if you can come with me and you can see the way how they live, the way how they cook, so they don't have like a good quality of life. So that's why Guatemala Service Project is giving them and providing them a stop. So just follow me. You can see the houses. Actually, it's not like a house that we can see around. They are just like stick, and some came from the corn, and they don't have power here. They don't have water at home. So just come and see how they cook in the kitchen. So so as you can see, 2 months ago I think we sent them like some food in the bag, and that is where we realized that they need our help. So as you can see here, this is the way how they cook. So sometimes, like right now, they are boiling some water. They are boiling the water because some of the little girls, they will take a shower, and here they have some container for the coffee, so they just put it on the sides of the fire, and this is how they live. So they sit around, they cook, they eat, and this is the kitchen. It's a small kitchen, and today we are helping them with the stove, and we hope we can do more for this family. There are so many families who have the same condition like this family, but we are very thankful with you that you are providing them a stove. So we are gonna bring the piece of the stove right now, and we will show to you how it looks like after. So thank you.